We have some very interesting news coming from Tesla Giga Berlin, and that you are seeing a picture from our friend Albrecht, who tweets at gigafactory_4, a 110 kilowatt transformer substation area. Tesla has cleared this land, this foreground, and to build its future 110 kilowatt transformer substation. You're seeing it in the background. And also we're learning that Tesla is already actively hiring, and that a German edition of the Business Insider has information of what types of people they're looking for and what questions they're asking. You need to know the answer of this question if you would like to be hired for Tesla. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss our next Tesla story. So Albrecht, our friend who has been sharing lots of Tesla Giga Berlin stories, shared this tweet saying yesterday's image shows this is the east to west shot from Tesla Giga Berlin. In the foreground, you see the cleared area for a future 110 kilowatt transformer substation, and you're seeing that in the background. And also our friend Jürgen is tweeting that the topic of water, which was a complicated water for the area, the water to be supplied to Tesla Giga Berlin, is now off the table. The local water supplier WSC says water board in Strasbourg has approved the development contract for the Tesla Giga Berlin, and Tesla may use a maximum of 1.45 million cubic meters of water per year. I think this is enough for Tesla's first phase of building, but Tesla will probably need more water when it starts building the battery section or battery production section of Giga Berlin, which was already confirmed that Elon Musk, during the battery day, confirmed that Tesla will also produce battery cells at Giga Berlin. Now, we are also learning that Tesla Giga Berlin is hiring, and these are some of the questions that you need to know if you would like to work for Tesla Giga Berlin. Business Insider is reporting that in a late-night tweet, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said, "Please work at Tesla Giga Berlin." This was several days ago. It will be great fun. Recruited employees of his new Giga Berlin in Brandenburg, but what do you have to bring with you if you want to start at the US electric car manufacturer Tesla at Giga Berlin? Former Tesla HR manager has now revealed the question that stumbles most engineers who would like to work for Tesla, and here's what Business Insider's German edition says. Because if you want to pass an interview with flying colors, you have to talk about your performance. You should know which of them you should particularly highlight, otherwise your entire interview could fail. Now, also in an article in East Company magazine, former Tesla recruiter Max Brown said that this was the question that candidates often struggled with. Here's the question. Tell me about your most important technical achievement, the project you are most proud of. At first, it doesn't sound difficult at all. Certainly no trickier than some of the other questions Tesla has asked applicants in the past. Brown, who conducted more than 1,000 interviews with candidates for Tesla, complains that many of the applicants presented the wrong projects and success. So if you, he says, actually, in my experience, Tesla applicants instinctively choose the project that sounds best on paper, but that's not always the best that illustrates their actual technical ability, he says. So guys, if you are in Germany or in Europe and would like to work for Tesla, or even you are in different countries and would like to move to Germany, to Berlin area to work for Tesla Giga Berlin, you need to be prepared to tell them about your most important technical achievement, the project that you did, and you can present it as something that you have achieved. And looks like they are focusing on, or it's best to focus on smaller projects. For example, Business Insider says, usually it is better to focus on a smaller project where you can really address all technical aspects. That's correct. If you focus on a big project that during the interview and you probably will not know all technical aspects because you have been working with a large team if you have been doing the project as a major corporation. But if you focus on smaller project where you can really address all technical aspects, then that will be probably more successful, because in many cases your most impressive project was definitely teamwork. According to Brown, in the ensuing discussion about your project, don't let yourself be caught thinking someone else has taken on a particular task. Boasting cannot always be good strategy. Just speak humbly about the positive impacts that you have made into the project, but bring it with evidence that you have backed up. Brown told the Fast Company, saying the real reason recruiters ask this question is because they need a topic they can use for follow-up questions to learn the candidate's technical expertise. This makes really good sense. Most of the weaker responses to this question would often have resulted in the applicant either sounding like they wanted to excel at others' work, or they didn't lead to a productive technical discussion. And that last thing you probably want is to come across a dishonest in an interview. You don't want to do that. And but also there are some additional bonus points for personal responsibility. Business Insider writes that it is better if you point out a problem, presented the solution that you have found for it, and then respond to your individual contribution. This type of interview is also used with the PayPal payment service, for example. There are additional bonus points if you can back up your answers with examples that demonstrate strength and personal responsibility. This applies to all job interviews, not just at Tesla. Strength and personal responsibility. People these days want responsible people, not careless people, but responsible people. And you would think that telling a story about a relatively small project would bore the recruiter, says Brown. But if that is the project with which you have really demonstrated your skills, you should name this. HR managers want to let off steam and hopefully learn something new themselves. So let me know, friends, if you have done interviews with Tesla and how your experience was. In the meantime, this is Armen Hareyan from TalkNews.com. Exciting news from Giga Berlin. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell for next Tesla story so you don't miss it. And have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you. Take good care of each other, and I'll see you in our next story coming soon. Peace be with all of you.